So I have invested into this mic.
3, 2, 1.
Hi guys, welcome back to a new vlog on my YouTube channel. तो अभी तक जितने भी मैंने vlogs बनाए हैं या The Doctor's Talk Show किया है, eventually I have come to a conclusion कि I need a mic. क्योंकि maximum The Doctor's Talk Show तो हम हॉस्पिटल में करेंगे, तो एक इको की आवाज़ आती है एंड आवाज़ अच्छा कंटेंट होने के बाद भी वो अच्छा आउटपुट नहीं देता क्योंकि mic is the necessity. So I have invested into this mic. It is from Holy Land and it is LAC M2 wireless microphone. I've seen this all over the internet. Each and every content creator is using this. Since it is very small, very tiny, very lightweight and wireless. For sure that was the prime need. So let's unbox this with me. I have always loved to unbox stuff क्योंकि जितने भी लोग ऑलरेडी मुझे जानते हैं दे नो हाउ मच आई लव बाइंग थिंग्स. रोज़ कुछ ना कुछ पार्सल आता है, देन आई अनबॉक्स इट, आई एंजॉय दिस प्रोसेस. I don't like one thing कि समझ ही नहीं आता पहले बॉक्स खोलना कहाँ से है, कैसे खोलना है. Oh, so stupid of me. So here it goes like this. First we have this manual, I guess. The warranty card and all this. और ये एक चीज़ है, मैं दिखाती हूँ. These are the stickers which you can put on the mic to make them look very cool, but I don't like any of them. None of these is cool. Leaving it apart. So it looks like this. First let's see this main box. ये है वो charging box. जैसे AirPods charge होते हैं, it also does the same work. I love this process. This step is my favorite. So it looks like this. These are the transmitters. It comes with 2 transmitters. तो 2 लोगों का गुजारा हो जाएगा. Putting them back. This is the transmitter for the camera. अभी I don't have a camera, so it is of no use for me. Then we have these 2 receivers. One for iOS पुराने वाले Lightning and one for C type. So आप इसको फ़ोन में लगा के these get connected. और the best thing I have seen about this on YouTube is इसमें noise cancellation है. बाहर घड़ 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 कितनी भी आवाज़ होगी, it works well. So what extra we have? Oh, we have a pouch. What's inside this? अच्छा. It comes with 2 necklaces. So how it works is you can stick the receiver to the necklace. 2 necklaces, right? और आप इसको गले में पहन के you can vlog. What else it has? And it comes with 2 dead cats. Dead cats also known as wind muff. जो कैमरा जो माइक पे लगे होते हैं ना, ऐसे बाल बाल जैसे, या तो जैसे समटाइम्स वी आर इन अ वेरी विंडी प्लेस, या तो बाइकिंग करते हुए कुछ ऐसे स्टफ में तो हवा की आवाज़ आती है, तो विद दिस वी डोंट गेट इट. अभी इसको मैं आई एम नॉट ओपनिंग इट बिकॉज इट इज़ ऑफ नो यूज स्टिल, तो ये ख़राब नहीं करना चाहती हूँ मैं. सो आई कीप इट बैक. नाइस नेकलेस, फाइनली समवन गेव मी नेकलेस. एंड वायर्स and more wires. This is for camera. I don't have a camera, so it's of no use. And yes, one more thing. I like this They have also provided these two clips जिसमें you can attach the, oh god, powerful man. Sorry guys. Yeah, the mic, the receiver gets connected और इसको तुम अपनी शर्ट पे लगा सकते हो ऐसे. But the best thing is to use it with the magnet, I feel. So this is the magnet, this is the receiver. You put it like this and it gets connected. कभी कभी तो ऐसे ड्रेस का पार्ट भी लग सकता है ये ना, उतना अजीब सा भी नहीं लग रहा कि what is this. It looks like a button. और the people who don't want to show this, they can hide it with this white or some stupid smileys. I prefer it like this, it's good. So this is all about the unboxing of the Holy Land Lark M2 microphone, and I regret shooting the two podcasts without it because the content was so nice but the outcome was not too good because mic नहीं था तो वो echo बहुत disturb कर रहा था. So from the next podcast I shoot it with the help of these mics, and I hope you notice the change and it is more helpful. दो vlogs मैंने already shoot किए हुए हैं without this. I have to upload it, but after those I'll use this entirely. Thanks for watching guys. See you in the next video. And yes, if you have still not liked, subscribed or commented on my channel, don't forget to do it. Bye! So I have just turned on the fan to notice the difference if the noise cancellation works or not. So right now I have turned on blue light, which means the noise cancellation is not working. And when I click it once again, a green light turns on, which means noise cancellation is working. So is there a difference? I hope the noise of the fan is not audible and the construction sound is also not audible. So if it is working, well and good.